Namaste dear students, welcome to your channel Virtual Master. In the previous session we have derived one formula or kinematic equations using the graphical method, that is V equals to U plus AT. In this session we are going to derive three more kinematic equations. The first one is distance covered by the object. Okay, the formula for distance covered by the object, that is S is equals to UT plus half AT square. We are going to derive this formula by the graphical method only. Also, we are going to derive one more kinematic equations which gives the relation between the final velocity and initial velocity of the object, that is v square equals to u square plus 2as. And lastly, we are going to derive the formula for distance covered by the object in the nth second, that is Sn is equals to u plus a by 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Watch this video till the end for the better understandings of the concept. Okay. If you have any opinions or suggestions, you can write in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, subscribe our channel. And to get the notifications of all our video uploads, press the bell icon. Okay. And you can also follow us on our Facebook and Instagram pages. The link for the Instagram and Facebook page will be given in the description. Okay. First, let us derive the equation for the displacement of the object, that is S is equals to ut plus half at square. Okay. To go derive this equation, let us consider an object is moving from point A to point B with an uniform acceleration small a. Okay. The object is moving from point A to point B with an uniform acceleration small a. Let S be the displacement of the object from point A to point B. Okay, S be the displacement of the object from point A to point B. Let us consider that the object is starting from point A with uniform velocity small u and it is reaching point B with a final velocity small v. Okay. Also, let us consider that the object is taking time t seconds to reach point B from point A. Okay. The object is taking t seconds to reach point B from point A. And the velocity time graph of the object is as shown in the diagram. Okay. The object is starting from point A with a initial velocity of small u and it is reaching point B with a final velocity of small v. Isn't it? And it is taking time t seconds to reach point B. Okay. All of you note down the content on the slide. Okay. Pause the video and note down the content. Now I am going to delete all the content on the slide. Okay. Now, from the figure, I can easily write that OA will be equal to OCD. Okay. The length OA will be equal to CD and it will be equal to small u. Isn't it? And the length BD will be equal to small v. Okay. The length of BD will be equal to small v. And we know that BC will be equal to, from the diagram I can write BC will be equal to BD minus CD. Isn't it? What is BD? BD is V and CD is U, right? So I can write BC will be equal to V minus U. Okay, the length BC will be equals to V minus U. And in the previous sessions, that is while discussing or studying about velocity time graph, we have discussed that the area under the curve in velocity time graph will give the displacement of the object. Okay. We can find the displacement of the object from the velocity time graph by finding the area under the curve. Okay. So in this diagram, if I find the area under the curve AB, then that will be equal to the displacement of the object. Okay. From the diagram, if I find the area of the curve under AB, then that area will be equal to the displacement of the object. Okay. Now from the figure, I can easily say that the area under the curve AB will be equal to area of the rectangle OACD plus area of the triangle ABC. Okay. Area of OABD will be equals to area of rectangle OACD and area of triangle ABC. And what will be the area of OABD? That is area under the curve AB. It will be equal to displacement. So I can write S will be equal to area of rectangle OACD. And what is the formula for the area of the rectangle? It is equal to length into the breadth, right? What is the length here? It is nothing but OA. Okay, the length of the rectangle will be equal to OA. And what will be the breadth here? Breadth is AC, isn't it? The breadth of the rectangle OACD will be equals to AC. I can write it as AC. Okay, this is nothing but the area of the rectangle OACD plus now area of triangle ABC. What is the formula for the area of triangle? It is equals to half into base into height, isn't it? Now what is the base here? AC is the base of the triangle ABC and BC is the height of the triangle ABC, isn't it? So I can write half into base. What is base here? AC. Base into, and what is height? Height is BC. BC. Okay. Now, therefore, what is OA? OA is equals to U, right? OA is U. And what is AC? AC is T. So I can write S will be equals to UT plus half. Okay. What is AC here? AC is equals to T, right? And what is BC? BC is equals to V minus U. BC is equals to V minus U. I will call this as equation number 1. Okay. Now, while discussing velocity time graph, we have also discussed that the acceleration of the object can be found using the velocity time graph. That is, by finding the slope of the curve, we can that will give the acceleration of the object, isn't it? Now here, the slope of the AB will be equal to the acceleration of the object. So I can write acceleration A equals to slope of the curve. Okay, slope of AB. And what will be the slope of AB? It will be equals to tan theta, right? Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is BC divided by AC. So I can write BC divided by AC. Now what is BC here? BC is equals to V minus U. And what is AC? AC is T, right? V minus U divided by T. So I can write, therefore V minus U will be equals to A into T. I am cross multiplying T on the left hand side. V minus U will be equals to A into T. I will write this equation as equation number 2. Now what I will do is I am going to substitute the equation 2 in equation 1. In equation 1 I am going to replace V minus U by AT. Okay. So therefore I can write S will be equals to UT plus, sorry, S is equals to UT plus half into T into AT. Okay, it is equals to what? UT plus half AT square. Okay, we have got this equation, that is S is equals to UT plus half AT square. Okay, I hope everyone have understood how to derive the equation for S is equals to UT plus half AT square by the graphical method. Okay, if you have any opinions or suggestions, you can write in the comment section. Okay. Let us derive our third kinematic equation, that is V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. To derive this equation, let us consider the same example, that is an object is moving from point A to point B and the object is starting with an initial velocity U and it is reaching point B with a final velocity of small v, and the object is taking time t seconds to reach point B. Okay, let S be the displacement of the object from point A to point B. Okay, and if we draw the velocity time graph of the object, then we are going to get a curve which is shown in the diagram. Okay, already I have explained you how to get this diagram, so I am not going to repeat this again. Okay, all of you pause the video and note down the content. Now I will be erasing all the content on the slide. Okay. Now, as we have already discussed, from the figure we can write OA equals to CD equals to U and BD equals to V and BC equals to V minus U. Okay, while deriving s equals to ut plus half at square, I have explained you all these things, right? So I will not repeat this again. And OD will be equals to AC will be equals to small t. And the area under the curve AB will be equal to the displacement of the object, isn't it? The area of OABD, that is area OABD, will be equals to the displacement of the object, that is X. Okay. Now, and this area OABD will be equal to area of rectangle OACD plus area of triangle ABC. Now what is the area of a rectangle? It will be equal to length into breadth. And in this case, the length of the rectangle OACD is equals to OA into AC. Okay. OA is the length of the rectangle and AC is the breadth of the rectangle. So I will write directly U into T. OA is equals to U and the breadth is AC, which will be equals to T. I am writing it directly. Why? Because already we have discussed this while deriving S equals to UT plus half AT square, isn't it? So plus, and area of triangle ABC is half base into height. Okay, half of base is AC, right? AC will be equals to T and height is BC. BC will be equals to V minus U. V minus U. Now let us multiply this equation by 2 on both sides. Okay. Multiplying the above equation by 2. Okay. If you multiply the above equation by 2, what we are going to get? 2s. We have to multiply on both sides. Okay. 2s is equals to 2ut plus, in this term 2 get cancelled. What will be left? Only v minus u into t. Okay. Now let us simplify this. 2s will be equals to 2ut plus v into t minus ut. Okay. After the simplification, I am going to get 2s is equals to 2ut minus ut will be equals to ut only. ut plus vt. I can write this as, if I take t common, I can write u plus v into t. I will call this as equation number 1. Okay. Now, by finding the slope of the curve, we are going to get the acceleration of the object. Okay. As we have already studied, acceleration of the object will be equals to slope of the curve. And slope of the curve will be equal to tan theta. And in the triangle ABC, tan theta will be equals to opposite by adjacent, that is BC by AC, isn't it? BC divided by AC. And what is BC? BC is equals to V minus U and AC is T. Now what I will do is, I will cross multiply A and T. That is, I will take T on the left hand side and A on the right hand side. So what I will get? T will be equals to V minus U divided by A. I will call this as equation number 2. Now what I will do is, I will substitute T, the value of T from equation 2 in equation 1. Okay. I will replace this T by V minus U by A. Since there is no space here, so what I will do is, I am going to delete this part of the slide. All of you pause the video and note down this. Okay. Okay. Now what I will do, I will substitute equation 2, that is the value of T in equation 1. What I am going to get here? 2s will be equal to, if I replace T by V minus U by A, what I am going to get? U plus V into T. T is equals to V minus U divided by A. We know the formula. V plus U into V minus U will be equals to V square minus U square, isn't it? We have the formula, that is A plus B into A minus B equals to A square minus B square, isn't it? We are going to use that formula. If we use that formula, I will get 2s is equals to v square minus u square divided by a. So if I cross multiply a on the left hand side, what I am going to get? V square minus u square is equals to 2as. Okay, so v square minus u square is equals to 2as. I hope everyone have understood how to derive the equation v square is equals to u square plus 2as. If you have any opinions or suggestions, you can write in the comment section. Okay. Now let us derive the equation for the distance covered by the object during the nth second. Now what do you mean by the distance covered by the object during nth second? To understand this better, let us take one example. Let us consider a boy is moving from point A to point B. As you can see here, the boy is moving from point A to point B in 6 seconds. Okay. Now I want to find the distance covered by the boy during the 4th second. Okay. What do you mean by distance covered by the boy during the 4th second? That means the distance covered by the boy between 3rd second and the 4th second. Okay. This distance is nothing but the distance covered by the boy during the 4th second. I will call it as S4. Okay. Now how you are going to find the distance covered by the boy during the 4th second? To find the S4, first we have to find the distance covered by the boy in 4 seconds. That is the distance from point A to 4th second. Okay. This distance I will call it as S dash. Okay. Now next what we have to do? We have to find the distance covered by the boy in 3 seconds. That is the distance covered by the boy from point A to 3rd second. And I will call this as S double dash. Okay, from the figure I can write S4 will be equals to S dash minus S double dash. Okay, the distance covered by the boy during the 4th second will be equal to distance covered by the boy in 4 seconds minus distance covered by the boy in 3 seconds. Okay, in general, if you want to find the distance covered by the object during nth second, okay, if you want to find the distance covered by the object in during nth second, then Sn, then generally we are going to write Sn will be equals to S1 minus S2, where S1 is the distance covered by the object in n seconds. Okay, and S2 will be the distance covered by the object in n minus 1 seconds. Okay, here S dash is the distance covered by the boy in 4 seconds. S double dash is distance covered by the boy in 3 seconds, isn't it? So if n is 4, then naturally 3 will be equals to n minus 1. So in general I can write the distance covered by the object during nth seconds will be equal to distance covered by the object in n seconds minus distance covered by the object in n minus 1 second. Okay, this is the general formula that we have to use to find the or to derive the equation for Sn. Okay, I hope everyone have understood what do you mean by the distance covered by the object during nth second. Okay, now let us derive the equation for Sn, that is distance covered by the object during nth second. Okay, let us derive the equation for the distance covered by the object during the nth second. Okay, the formula for the distance covered by the object during the nth second will be equals to Sn is equals to distance covered by the object in n seconds. I will call it as S2, and distance covered by the object in n minus 1 second. I will call it as S1. Okay, we know the formula for the distance covered by the object. It is equals to S is equals to ut plus half at square, where t is the time, right? Here S2 is the distance covered by the object in n seconds, and S1 is the distance covered by the object in n minus 1 seconds. Okay, in place of t, if we substitute n, then we are going to get S2, and in place of t, if we substitute n minus 1, we are going to get S1. Okay, so Sn will be equals to, first what will be S2? S2 will be equals to un plus half an square minus what will be S1? U into, I have to replace t by n minus 1. Okay, u n minus 1 plus half of a into n minus 1 whole square. Okay, let us simplify this. Un plus half a into n square minus un, okay, minus un minus u plus, I am multiplying u into n and u into 1. Okay, that I will get un minus u plus, let us expand this n minus 1 whole square. It will be equals to n square plus 1 square minus 2n. Okay, it will be equals to un plus half an square minus of un will be equals to minus un. Minus into minus will be plus, right? I will write this as plus u. Minus into plus, it will be minus half into a into n square plus 1 minus 2n. Okay, if we further simplify, we are going to get un plus half an square minus un plus u minus half an square minus half a into 1 will be equals to minus half into a minus 1 by 2 into 2 will be cancelling each other, right? So I can write an. Okay, minus into minus, it will be plus. Now in this equation, plus half an square minus half an square get cancelled, plus un minus un get cancelled. What will be left here? Only u minus half a plus an. Okay, in these two terms, that is this term and this term, I will take a by 2 common. Okay, if I take a by 2 common in these two terms, I am going to get Sn will be equals to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. This is the equation for the distance covered by the object during the nth second. Okay, I hope everyone have understood how to derive the equation for distance covered by the object during the nth second. Okay, if you have any opinions or suggestions, you can write in the comment section. Till now we have derived the three kinematic equations. I hope everyone have understood the derivation of all the three equations, and if you think this video was useful to you, then like this video and share with your friends also. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, subscribe our channel, and to get the notifications of all our video uploads, press the bell icon. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. The link for the Instagram and Facebook page will be given in the description. Okay, thank you very much.